What? These lips, can't wait to taste your skin. Baby, no wonder in these eyes, can't wait to see your grin. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is beach day. Me and the fam are gonna pull up to the beach. It'll be Omer's first time at the beach. Right now we are currently at SolFood. It's a Puerto Rican cuisine. We're getting a sandwich called a yktyk, and I like the coconut soda. I've been trying to go on like this no soda thing, but kind of failed at it. So I'm starting again April 1st, and I'm gonna try my best to go 75 days without it and see how it goes for me. See like drastic changes and start a little diet, you know, 75 hard, maybe 75 soft, but definitely trying to do that. But yeah, we're currently getting something to eat real quick, and I'll probably eat with you guys. And yeah, Omri is currently in the back. I think he's waking up. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Maybe we'll I'll vlog us eating a little bit. Wait. She's left us in. Damn, somebody left their kid in the car?
Record that for YouTube. That's insane. White people just leaving their babies in the car. Out here in the fucking sun. It's hot.
It's hot, and now
so
it's a
tents on my windows.
It's a little kid over there. I knew I heard some screaming. I knew I heard.
Little baby here crying. Listen.
That's not white people shit. That's fucked up. Why you just didn't take the baby inside with you? That's a damn shame. I remember one time my man was like, "Oh, he's asleep. Well, come on, let's just run into Starbucks." I'm like, "Nah, I can't leave him. I can't leave him. I can't do it. No, can't do." We're about to eat. Maybe we'll answer some questions for you guys. So I'm gonna get my phone and look up some right now. This is the coconut soda I was telling you guys about.
That's just far.
It's bomb. We got the sandwiches. And then babe got this drink here. I'm not a fan, but yeah, that's what that is.
You don't like that shit? That's why, you know, you're not a fan, really? I think the punch is better, but this is just the orange mango iced tea. The punch is mixed with limeade. SolFood, San Rafael. That bunny went there when he came out here.
A bad bunny, wah, 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 wah.
I'm trying that shit.
Omri has his toes out. We can go straight to the beach. So we're headed straight to the beach, and then we'll probably eat when we park.
I think this is steak, onion, avocado, and the sauce. I think that's literally it. And the bread. I don't think it's anything else on it.
So it comes with steak, onion, avocado, and their house sauce. And it looks like, is that cheese?
No, I think this is the onion.
Cheers. This, never miss. We're gonna finish eating, and then I'll pick up when we get on the beach. We've made it to the beach. You like the water? Huh, baby boy? It feels good. We're chilling. Omer didn't drink his bottle. Then we give him some strawberries now. See, he already knows.
Don't fall, kid. Stay sitting up.
We've been here for about 3 hours. I think it's time we departure. Plus my camera is already on 0.5%. Maybe it's because of the heat, it's making it overheat. Babe over there sweating, got his toes out. Omer over here eating his strawberries still. What you gotta say?
While you was over there?
You eating them strawberries or what? Baby boy got his toes out. Ooh. This the main attraction is boy, don't put them strawberries on me. 2-piece shit. Shut the fuck up.
You were recording?
Yeah.
Oh. I can't tell if the light was on.
But yeah, we're about to go. What, you want, look, here. Go ahead. Tell what you think about. He said, talk to y'all later.
Dipping through the mouth, about to slide to the point. In the bag, get real, so I'm moving with this joint. Man, these niggas lead right to the house. I'm taking these walls. 200 for the watch without a diamond at all. I can never get back. I've been stressing like a motherfucker. How the fuck I'm gon' rap and be a fool? What's the deal, love? I've been peeping your Instagram and seen that you been by yourself, love.
Told like a mannequin. I'm every day, I've got the panicking. I pull for my phantom. If my ops in a foreign, then we shooting up the phantom. Dior on my body, head to toe like a mannequin. I'm every day, I've got the panicking. I pull for my phantom. If my ops in a foreign, then we shooting up the phantom. Dior on my body, head to toe like a mannequin. I'm every day, I've got the panicking. I pull for my phantom. If my ops in a foreign, then we showing up the phantom.
Big block up on my head. Dummy, I don't never slip. Run up on me, I'm a whack a nigga. Clap a nigga, skate off in the whip. Gucci foreign, see the drip. 5,500 to fit. 55K on my wrist. I'm tired of jugging my money legit.
Trap got the Urish, boy got the hurricane. I got the range and all of them paid.
Hey y'all! It is officially the next day. It's already like 5 p.m. But the beach had us worn out yesterday, so we didn't come back and say bye or nothing, but gotta go to Tarjay just to go grab like 2 things for Omer, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys, let you know what we were doing. Made it to Target, and look, they have it on sale for the big one. I normally get this one. They don't have this in the big size. Well, they do. I don't know if I want to do this one or just get the big one. But I definitely need Aquaphora. So expensive first. They have a wash Aquaphora. But I'm here for the Avena, so this is what we're gonna get. Okay, we're gonna get this big one because it's on sale. So really so many ingredients sometimes. If you guys know any other body washes I should use for my baby, please comment down below. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna get. I don't really see anything else I need out of here, so I'm gonna dip out now. I have a baby, guys. It's crazy to me still. But yeah, I don't need anything else, so I'm gonna go check out. This is all we got. So yeah, maybe I'll pick up something for myself. Babe, give me his card. We'll see. So as you guys saw, I went back for the one that I actually needed, and I got both. Grand total was $36. Not too bad, but for 3 items, kind of like $10 a piece for everything. Kind of, I don't know. But yeah, we're about to probably go grab a bite, and that's it.
I guess.
Yeah, I low-key want a crumble cookie, but the flavors are nasty this week, so yeah. So we're just chilling. Omari's in the back whining, so babe is playing millions for him. I would have sat in the back with him, but I'm kind of enjoying sitting in the front seat with my man again. Feels like old times. But yeah, I'll check in when we figure out what we're gonna eat. Can we just get into the natural fro? Cute. So we officially made it home. We didn't stop to get nothing to eat. Just came home. So now we're about to chill, and I don't know. We were watching The Rookie, but we finished it, so I don't know what we're gonna do. It's gonna be it for my vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.